does sperm make, or sex, frequent sex, make someone glow, face glowing?
I've heard that myth circulate around, yes. I'll say to some extent yes. But now if this is a yes, it's gonna make a contradiction. Where do we have those ladies who have regular sexual intercourse with different men, their faces don't glow?
Yes.
Because now when you want to bring that point like that, then it means regular sex doesn't necessarily make you glow. It's all about how satisfied you are during sex. Sex satisfaction makes you glow. Because you remember during sex, and if you've attained orgasm as we said, and you had that fun during sex, the body gets to produce hormones. If you remember, there's something I want to tell viewers. I don't know whether you experience something kwamba during sex there is that moment that either one of you goes into deep sleep, ama unasikia kwamba kuna usingizi inakuja. Have you ever wondered why? What happens?
Nope.
You're having sex, then all suddenly after you've done, you feel so sleepy, you want to sleep.
Is it not normal?
Yeah, it's normal. Now that's why the point I'm bringing in, it's all about the hormones. During sex, there is release of hormones, and that specific hormone that is released during sex that makes you glow, that makes you, sends you into a deep sleep. So when you enjoy sex, there is hormone release in the body, and it's that hormone release that makes somebody glow. It's that hormone release that makes you maybe grow, but from to glow and grow in
Really,
size.
you can really grow in size because of having sex.
Some say yes, but the point is about being satisfied during sex.
Okay.
Yes.